So now that everything is dry, everything I did in the last video is dry, I've thought I'd bring the station building up and put it in place and have a look, see what it looks like. This is all I've built so far of the stations. As you can see, I've put some put a coach and a little DMU in position. Right, so this is one thing I'm possibly planning on doing, having a little sort of end of line, branch line stop on that side of the platform for a DMU, which just fits in there nicely. A 150 will hopefully fit in there as well. Right, so, and that track will continue around the bend here, and it will join via a point which is just around the corner here. So what I've found is, obviously as the track is on cork, the height, if we can see there, so it's quite realistic for the DMU, but for the Mark III coach there, which is on the cork, obviously this one isn't, and neither is this. It's too high, so it looks like I'm going to have to put the buildings, or the station platforms and the building, on some cork, which is fine, I don't mind. So it kind of makes me wish though that I'd just completely filled that whole area with cork. Would have made it a lot easier, but such is life. I will start measuring out for a new platform which is going to pretty much fill that. I need to straighten the track because it's a bit wibbly wobbly, tack it down. I'm not too worried about this centre track here because it's not going on a platform, but that one is. That one's very wobbly. So yeah, so there's the first look of the station building will look like, and this will be fenced off. Yeah, I think it's looking alright. I'll probably do a little bit of work on this, a bit of weathering, maybe a bit of painting, put some signs on it and things like that, and then this will be a road. Now this is in place, although I've got lots more space down there, obviously there will be a platform which will be fenced off, but this gap here is all of a sudden narrowed, so here I have to fit some kind of road and taxi rank and parking and stuff like that. So, but yeah, it's all doable. But right, let's continue. So now I've mocked up a very rough outline of the far station platform, and this is just pieces of A4 paper that I've taped together with duct tape because it's the only tape I could find. The ends are sort of to be decided, but yeah, so now I've just got to build something similar to that. It's about 6 or 7 feet long, I would say. So yeah, now the real task begins. Just got to finalise the edges a little bit more because they're not perfect, which I will do now. I'm not going to go into huge detail about how I do this because this is real experimenting for me. I'm not even sure if this is the right way to do it, but yeah, I will post my findings. So this is starting to look something like what it's going to look like. So I have pretty much finished this platform. It took a little bit of fiddling around, and I've still got to change the track on here, which is, I've temporarily tacked it down for now, but as you can see, this is a bit tight at the far end, so I've just got to straighten that up, but other than that it's alright. So main issue is these joins here. Now with these Metcalfe kits, they give you some tape that you can put over there, but it actually looks worse, I think. So I've been playing around with some weathering powder. I just chuck some down just to sort of slosh it around a little bit. But I know there's ways other people get around this, but with some platform furniture and things like that, it might be alright. So we've got 3 lines running through the station. We got another line here, which at the moment is just a piece of track, but that will be I think it will be like a little DMU stop, which I think will look quite good. So I've still got to continue this platform all the way along, so I haven't finished it. This isn't actually connected either, and I need to raise this up on cork, because I'm not sure if you can tell on camera or not, but that platform there is on cork, and it makes quite a nice height. Excuse the camera skills again today, because I'm on the phone again, and this one is not on cork, so it's a little bit lower, so it needs hiring up. But yeah, other than that, have a overall shot. It's about as long as I can get it, so I can fit the I don't know, 5 or 6 car HST, which will work quite nicely. Alright, the other purchase, total change of subject here. Fire engine, and I actually saw this on Amazon. It was second hand. Got it for like a tenner or something like that. I can't even remember. But it is a Devon and Somerset one. As this is based in the West Country, I thought I will get this. Not sure if I'm actually going to have a fire station or not, but I'm sure it will find a home, which will look pretty good. But anyway, yeah, that's it. I'll leave the video there, but I will continue to build the rest of the platform, which I think it will go the full length, same length as the other one, and then there'll be a single footbridge, I think, over there. I might actually make the platform slightly wider that end, so it can accommodate the footbridge, because this is quite narrow, this one. There's the tape I was talking about earlier. These are coming unstuck, I need to Pritt stick them. But anyhow, I'll do a bit of tidying up and sorting out. But other than that, I'm quite pleased with it so far. Might just whack some retaining walls up in the background quickly and just have a look, see what that looks like. Right, so I've not gone all the way along, but you can see there. I think they look alright. Once I get them, they're just propped there at the moment. So yeah, get some gravel in there and some junk and line side stuff, and yeah, should look alright. Right, anyhow, let's leave you on a shot like that. And also, if you want to see the previous video, click the top link. If you would like to subscribe, go ahead and click the bottom link. Thanks very much. See you again soon.